Well, Jaib Kinskialai. Sheikh Nama Kate says to go Love Hate today. I finished the first season of Love Hate. Agus Shagama, Kamagar Shagamata was good. Separate bag Shafa Chakama. Tashavadni sort comedy news when I cap man. It's much more of a comedy really than I thought it was going to be. Kamagamata everybody studied a sort that'd be more more serious kind of thing. But it's Jagamat entertaining Marajara. So full in more what I think you get to set the gus it's an RT player, it's on the RT player, I guess if it's something you're looking forward to watch, what the Solar these Lebrano, I guess so full in it. Does that basically my Lervas cart might do a proper review of Caesar Heen of season 1. Because much tweeted me from the characters in the hashtag because I might do a review of it of season 1. I got a couple of law in a few days of the acting, storytelling, etc. Because the chain way, the themes, etc. So, yeah, should go tag ma. I think it's good. Vi really mach like an gabarud answer dairide. Sart nis kosul kin. I thought it was going to be more like kind of kin, more of a serious tone. Yeah, Love Hate. Yeah, sinach much. Tweeted me Ginralta, maar door my buzzing in the Belgian in my nervous, I might do a review of it. Just my 2 cents, as they say. Because Shashne Masha by my banner says to the Belgian by the episode of Nacht. You didn't have a kid episodes to Kate says, which it's only 4 episodes in the first season. I can't remember things merely as an RT player, that there was something wrong with the RT player now like kid episode. It's kid episode. And it's only she episode Chula says so I think 6 episodes per season. No says so really. Erechi, but you walk much in a Shane Masha slang of all the sky lebu.